adventure. They met some friendly people. The people were scared of the aliens at first, but the aliens were friendly too, and they became friends. After playing together all day, the aliens had to go back to their home planet. Before they took off in their ship, they gave a box of colorful marshmallows to the friendly people as a gift. Some of the friendly people looked at the marshmallows and said, but some of them said, some of the friendly people ate the marshmallows and the others watched. Suddenly, the friendly people eating the marshmallows started to morph. They morphed into marshmallow monsters. The friendly people were so scared. But they realized the marshmallow monsters were still friendly. So they called the aliens and had a dance party.
Look at Colby.
Yeah.
I don't know. Hey guys. I like your hat. What's happening?